Hi parents and explorers, this is Miss Jones and today I'm going to go over the area model. It's what we use to teach multi-digit multiplication, and today we'll be solving 23 times 16. Our first step is to separate these numbers here into place value. It's what we call expanded form. So 23 is made up of 20 plus 3, whereas 16 is made up of 10 plus 6. My next step is to draw a box large enough for us to show some work in between, and we're also going to have some equations on the inside there. So now taking our numbers that we have, I'm going to place these on the side. So I have 23. Where that plus sign would go, I'm going to draw a line in between. Okay. Then same thing with 10 plus 6. I have 10. And 6, where my plus sign would go, is where my line's gonna go. Fix that here. Alrighty, next step is to actually start solving. I have my kids put a multiplication sign over here so they know what we're gonna do. And I kind of have them draw a rainbow line to make sure that we're marking the boxes. So at this point, we are going to solve in this quadrant 20 times 10. Over here, we are going to have 20 times 6. Down here, we will have 3 times 10 and 3 times 6. All right, to the side here, I have a little thinking station. So going back into my first quadrant, I have 20 times 10 here. So to the side, we really encourage our students to think about what they know. So looking over here, if I know, if this is asking 20 times 10, if I know that 10 times 10 equals 100, I'm just going to double that. If I do that again, what do I have? I have 200. All right, my next one I have 20 times 6, same thing. If I know that 20 times 5 equals 100, I just need to add one more group of 20. What does that give me? 120. We could also do skip counting. I could say 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Okay. 3 times 10, even using my fingers, I can say 10, 20, 30. And over here, I have 3 times 6. So same thing, maybe I want to say 6, 12, 18, or I could go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Again, with more time, we might want to put some numbers here. Alrighty, my last step, here we go. In order to get my final product of 23 and 16, I need to add up each of these products here. I encourage my students to make sure that their place value is always aligned and that we start from the biggest number down to the lowest. So I have 200, 120, 30, and 18. All right, looking at my standard algorithm here, we can see our place value is clearly aligned. My numbers are visible, so that's going to help us in the end. So looking at my ones place, how many ones do I have? I have 8. Looking at my tens, I have 2, 3, plus 3 is 6. And then I have 3 over here. So looking at my final product, at least it looks like I have 368 as my total product. But what I would like to challenge people to do, find maybe a different way for you to be able to solve this, or check my answer. Am I right? Alrighty, you guys, thanks so much. Bye-bye.